Hi my YouTube fragrance friends, welcome to my channel guys. Today guys, I will be unboxing this perfume and I say hello to everybody guys. I hope you are feeling great today. I hope you are feeling fantastic, and I hope that the weather that is in your place really makes you feel good. And I want to say as well that I'm in a very peaceful environment today. I will try to do more environments like that, but honestly I also would like to say that not always possible in my life to have peaceful environment while doing videos, so you will have a mixture of both guys in the future. And I want to unbox this perfume, this particular perfume. Have you ever seen it guys? I only picked it up, this perfume, because it was on Amazon and the price was good, and I have never seen Calice guys. Calice, what inspired me to buy it was like the price, and plus the bottle seemed to be a little bit interesting. Let's read it very quick guys. So Calice, never seen this brand before, no idea. It's Middle Eastern perfume. So its main accords, it says caramel, vanilla, powdery, sweet, floral, amber, citrus, oud, warm, spicy. So it seems like caramel is on the top. I watched one review guys about this perfume, so it was saying this perfume was on the sweeter side. That lady wasn't too much amazed by this perfume, but it was speaking quite positively about it as well. So I kind of got these type of impressions that it could be like a nice perfume, but also without too much I shouldn't be guys with too much expectation as well. So so there is oud as well. So fragrance for woman and man, for woman and man. Let me just unbox it guys. Let me just guys unbox it very quick. I can smell some Middle Eastern vibes already guys. So so the color already kind of started to poke through of this particular box. A natural spray. I wonder what do they say about natural, why they say it's natural spray. What do they mean by this? So there are these particular stickers, which means probably that it's not fake. And expiry, it's written made in UAE, and then expiry, the expiry is in 2024 August 16th. There are many perfumes sometimes that people can fake, but I don't think I have never encountered with any fake perfume yet so far. Wow, I will show you the bottle guys. Wow, look at the bottle, look at the bottle guys. It's actually scratched. The bottle is kind of scratched guys. So the bottle is scratched, and actually you can see everything in the when I am doing the videos, you can see everything reflection over there, so I have to be careful. So that's the bottle guys, the bottle. And so right now let's say so that's the bottle guys. So let's say I'm gonna read it for you a little bit more right now. So so let's see just a little bit what other people say. I think there was a bit negative thoughts as well. So it says cheap smelling, more citrus type smell and warm caramel. That's one person's opinion. It says definitely feminine fragrance, very sweet and very sexy. And then another people says amazing perfume, best of Calice and Arab perfume have came across, my signature for now. So you see there are guys only 3 reviews, 2 positive and 1 negative. So you can already see the idea. Kind of is hard to tell, isn't it? Let's spray it on right now. So there are only 3 perfumes, three reviews on Fragrantica. This type of Middle Eastern vibe. Let's see. Okay, one more. Very interesting guys. So I didn't expect guys that there will be some citrus in it. Wow, it's actually quite nice. I expected this perfume to be kind of on the more heavier side, like I know Middle Eastern perfumes, like something like a Latafa, you know, Latafa, that Oud Mood or something like that. But there is some kind of citrus. There is, it doesn't, there's like many kind of some notes, other notes is poking through. Was there, what was the notes, guys, here? I don't see, guys, notes. Oh, there is actually fragrance notes. Very interesting. So there is caramel, vanilla. So I can feel vanilla. Maybe caramel, but I'm not sure how's that one. Citruses. So I definitely felt citruses. It's like citrusy, sweet type of perfume. Powdery notes. I don't know, spicy notes. Maybe there's a little bit of amber and oud, guys. It's interesting, this perfume. I also feel some kind of like a spice in those spicy notes, like you know, like a cinnamon. I like it, guys. There is something very delicious like coming through. I really wonder, guys, how is it going to feel, this perfume, after wearing it, like let's say for 1 hour, what it will come out. It seems like something nice can come out. Those spicy notes, like let's say, imagine, you know, like let's say, imagine for man, there is this, because of you, isn't it? Or how is it? Or is it stronger with you? Which one? Like for Armani, you know, those type of spicy notes, but for man, but made in such a better way that it becomes less boring and more, you know. Basically, there's like kind of those type of notes, guys, that notes that would seem to be very delicious, you know, maybe that caramel mixed with those spiciness there, and those citrus little bit makes it so light. Quite interesting. That's definitely not similar to, you know, like Oud Mood from Latafa. It's not similar, guys. Not similar to anything. Just because, you know, there's that type of like a cinnamon type of vibe, or those spicy notes that are made not in a heavy way. That makes things very nice. I'm quite surprised, guys, about this perfume. I want to see how is it going to develop. So as you could see, there were 3 reviews on the Fragrantica, 1 negative. It was saying cheap smelling perfume, you know, that's what it was saying. And then it says that's a, I really think it's more leaning towards feminine, this perfume. And then I wonder if it's going to be my signature scent, you know, for some time. Very delicious, guys. Very delicious. Really delicious. Really delicious. I wouldn't say that it's smelling cheap. Let's see, guys, like the time will tell. So far I am quite happy about this discovery of this like a carless brand perfume. You know, I got it on Amazon, and you know, the price was good at that point. I want to see, you know, the longevity. I was surprised that it wasn't too heavy. I was surprised to encounter citrus notes as well. I was also surprised that delicious spiciness smell in there, and I was very in what is not sure is it, how is it going to develop in the future, you know, how is it going to stay, is it going to fade away, or what's going to happen in the future. So far it was my first encounter, and there were some surprises about this perfume. I want to show you also, guys, that I recently got, I already told you before, but just in case if you're new, I show you what else I got, what you should expect from me in the future. I must tell you guys that it was 7 months since I, you know, bought perfumes, and I'm very kind of happy to show you one more time the new perfumes. I will be opening within longer, you know, time, this perfume Bint Horan by Ardal Zafran. Supposed to be, you know, interesting perfume. The bottle is very interesting. And then, guys, I already spoke about this one, Pure Musk. So, you know, this type of musk perfume that wasn't wasn't too heavy, and I'm just trying. It didn't impress me too much, but just I'm trying to figure it out, you know. Maybe I could layer it with something else. And then soon also, guys, I will be, not soon, I don't know when, guys, but I will be opening Rihanna for You by Ardal Zafran. So I am interested about this name. And also in the bottle of Rihanna, there also will be these type of little glasses, you know, inside the bottle, some kind of glasses. And then, guys, I will be also showing you in the longer term another one, Shams Al Amarat Kususi. I already have red oud one, but this one is different. So there are two Shams Al Amarat Kususi, and I just simply wanted to have to see, to compare. Somebody told me that this one is better than the one I have, but the one I have I'm also very happy. So I have a red oud version of this one. And then I will be you know, reviewing in the longer future this one, Ahlam Al Arab. So I saw this one has some citrus notes, but from the packaging it seemed to be, you know, like that might be a heavy perfume, but you know, I might be quite surprised, guys, because as I said before, like with this particular perfume, you know, when I opened it, as you can see, I'm quite surprised because like I feel something totally different, guys. Of course I can feel some Middle Eastern vibes, you know, there, but those Middle Eastern vibes are warm, and they have citrus, and they are not heavy, guys. So I'm also surprised that there are not much review about this perfume. So you can actually have a look. Khalis, what's the name? Javad Al Gold, guys. You can kind of have a look, you know, and if you see, like, let's say somewhere like they are selling in affordable price, you know, you can kind of pick it up to discover, you know, to discover yourself. So that would be my situation. I'm happy about this discovery, guys, and I will leave you at that. That was another successful type of unboxing from Middle Eastern perfume. I haven't had a bad unboxing situations yet from Middle Eastern perfumes, apart from those when I discovered that perfume is absolutely masculine. Like, for example, Latafa Naja, that perfume was masculine. I couldn't wear it, you know, like type of fresh masculine scent. And there was Dirham Gold as well. That perfume is type of masculine freshy, so that one I couldn't wear too. And there were some other ones, but these ones, guys, they are unisex, but this one in particular is for I think it's for feminine type of scent. That's all, guys. I will leave you guys. Have a beautiful day. Like this video, and bye bye, guys. See you soon.